Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term ning. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, ning is a common abbreviation meaning no good or not good. People use it when something is disappointing or doesn't meet expectations. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Ning first showed up in online texting and gaming communities in the early 2000s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people and internet users. Now let's check out how to use NG in a sentence. Correct example 1. She said the movie was NG because the plot was confusing and boring. Correct example 2. I tried your recipe, but it turned out maybe I missed a step. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said ning at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using eng right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Eng means no good or not good. It started in online texting and gaming communities, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with eng in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.